The second concert for today's program is a Harikatha. Now this Harikatha is a one of its kind initiative by SMC, the first of its kind initiative by SMC. So for that itself, we should give a huge round of applause to Rohit Ramesh. Good luck, Rohit. And today's Harikatha is on Narayana Enum Namam, accompanied by Dilip Ramaswamy on the violin and Shri Subhanga Nirmaleswar on the mridangam. Hope you all enjoy the concert. Over to Rohit.
रामानुजदयापात्रं ज्ञानवैराग्यभूषणं श्रीमद्वेङ्कटनाथार्यं वन्दे वेदान्तदेशिकम् लक्ष्मीनाथसमारम्भां नादयामुनमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम् यो नित्यमच्युतपदाम्बुजयुग्मरुग्म व्यामोहनस्तदितराणि त्रिनयने अस्मद्गुरोर्भगवतोऽस्य दैनैकसिन्धो रामानुजस्य शरणो शरणं प्रपद्ये मातापिता युवदयस्तनया विभूति सर्वं यदेव नियमेन मदन्वयाना आद्यस्य न कुलपतिर्वगुणाभिरामो श्रीमत्तदङ्घ्रियुगलं प्रणमामि तं सरस्य महदात्मयपट्टनाद श्रीभक्तिसार कुलशेखरयोगिवाह भक्ताङ्गिरेणो परकाश्रामि श्रीमत्परामुसमुनिं नतोऽस्मि नीलातुङ्गस्तनगिरितटी सुप्तमुद्बोध्य कृष्णं पारात्यो स्वं श्रुतिसरसिरसिद्धमध्यापयन्ति स्वोचिष्टायां सृजनिकलितां यामाकृतभुङ्क्ते गोदा तस्यै मम इदमिदम् அருளவல்லவல்வலையாய் நாடினீ வேங்கடவர்க்கு என்னை விதி என்னையும் மாற்றும் நாங்கடவா வண்ணமே நல்க நாங்கடவா வண்ணமே நல்கு
dear Bhagavatas. It gives me great pleasure to perform my first Harikatha and also Sydney Music Circuit's first Harikatha on the topic Narayana Ennum Namam in this year's Margazhi Utsavam. Harikatha, as the name suggests, is the telling of the stories of Hari set to divine music. I will make a humble attempt to tell a little bit I know on this topic that is vast and can be spoken upon endlessly. As this is my first time doing a Harikatha, I would sincerely ask you to apologize any mistakes I make. Lord Krishna states, out of all the months, I am Margazhi. Madangalil naan Margazhiyaga irukkiren. Hence, this is an important month in our religious calendar. This is the month in which Andal used to wake up all the Gopikas through her Tiruppavi. Who is Andal? She is the daughter of Periyalvar who praises Narayana through his Tiruppallandu. Andal is hence deeply devoted to Narayana and thus assumes herself to be part of the Gopikas of Thiruvaipadi and composes the Tiruppavi, waking up all the other girls of her age to experience Krishna. Margazhi Tingal Madi Niraindha Nala Margazhi Tingal Madi Niraindha Nala Margazhi Tingal Madi Niraindha Nala Nilada Bodu Eko Vinode Niraki Margazhi Tingal Madi Niraindha Nala Nilada Bodu Eko Vinode Niraki Srimad Gumai Vadi Srimad Gumai Vadi Selvachiruviga Srimad Gumai Vadi Selvachiruviga Purve Kodundorina Nanda Govan Kumaran Ye Nadagan Yeshodagiram Singam Kameni Singam Kalmadiyam Polugata Narayanane Narayanane Namakke Parai Karumar Narayanane Namakke Parai Karumar Narayanane Namakke Parai Karumar Narayanane Namakke Parai Karumar Narayanane. Andal praises Narayana, stating, Narayanane Namakke Paraithav. Narayana, Narayana. We all know who praises Narayana like this. Narathar Vanangedum Narayana. Narathar Vanangedum Narayana. Nanmare Murragedum Narayana. Narathar Vanangedum Narayana. It is of course sage Narada. But why does he use this name? What is so special about this Naman? Let us have a look at its meaning. The term Narayana is derived from two parts. Nara meaning entities and Ayana meaning destinations. Thus, the term Narayana can have two meanings. The first is Narangalikku Ayanam, one who is the destination for all entities, living and non-living. This gives him the important characteristic of being the all-pervading supreme, as Papanasam Shivam sings. Yengum nirai parabrahmam amma endalaika ennajavam seide Yashoda. Yengum nirai parabrahmam amma endalaika ennajavam for the term Narayana is Narangalai Ayanamaga Kondiruppavan, one who resides in all the entities. That is why perhaps in Tamil we call him Kadavul. The Narayana Suktam states, Antarbahishcha tat sarvam vyapya Narayana stitaha. He is the all-pervading supreme and the one who is inside all of us. So now we have seen the meaning. Let us see why chanting the name and many names of Narayana is important. For this, we go to the Mahabharata. As Bhishma is lying on his bed of arrows, Yudhishthira asks him 6 questions, important questions. Kimekam daivatam loke, kim vapyekam parayanam, stuvantarkam kamachanda, prapnayurmanava shubham, kodharma sarva dharmanam, bhavata paramo madah, kimcha panmuchyate jantur, janma samsara bandhanat. Who is the only God? Who is the only destination? Whom do we pray for human good? Whom do we praise for human good? Which dharma out of all the dharmas you know is the greatest? And finally, who should we pray to elevate from samsara? To this, Bhishma answers, Jagat Prabhum Deva Devam Anantam Purushottamam Stuvannama Sahasrena Purushassadadottidaha. Bhishma states, he is the Paraman, he is the Supreme. To him you pray with the 1,000 names. But why should we pray with the names? The Upanishads state, Satyam Dhyanam Anantam Brahma. The Anantam is infinite. We cannot see or experience it with our finite senses. Thus, the Anantam, the infinite, becomes finite so that we can all experience him. So that we can all feel his chadari on our head, see his vigraham with our eyes, hear to his praises and nama sankirtanam with our ears, smell his beautiful flowers and tulasi with our nose, and of course taste his lovely prasadam, laddu in Tirupati, chakra pongal in Parthasaradhi, etc. etc. This happens only through his namams, because we can only identify him and see him through his namams. He is Balaji in Tirupati, he is Parthasaradhi in Tiruvallikeni, he is Ranganadhar in Srirangam, and he is Varadarajan in Kanchipuram. Krishna also states, Janma karma cha me divyam evam yo veti tattvadaha tyaktva deham punarjanma naiti mamiti sojuna. Only by knowing my birth, my activities and my divine rupam, one can hope to escape from the samsara. How do we know this? These are represented by nothing else but his nama. As Bhishma states, Yani Namani Gaunani. The namams reflect 4 important characteristics of the Lord: his Swarupa, Rupa, Guna, Vibhava. His nature, his form, his attributes and his activities. Swarupam being nature, Rupa being form, Guna being attributes and Vibhava meaning activities. In order to learn all this, we must chant the 1,008 namams of the Lord daily. Now let us have a look. Is it possible to do such? In our modern lifestyle, it's very difficult. For this reason, we have traditionally accepted chanting 12 or Dwadasa Namangal. These namams are used because they best reflect his Swarupa, Rupa, Guna, Vibhava. You may already know these namams. These namams are Madhava, Keshava, Narayana, Madhava, Govinda, Vishnu, Madhusudana, Trivikrama, Vamana, Sridhara, Rishikesha, Padmanabha and Dhamodara. Let us have a look at the meaning of these 12 important Dwadasa Namangal and see how Andal praises or alludes to these names in her Tirupavai. The first of this name is Keshava. Why is this first? Why is this even before Narayana and Vishnu? This is because Keshava is the only one out of the Dwadasa Namam that reflects all his Swarupa, Rupa, Guna and Vibhava all together. There are 4 meanings we can see. For his Swarupam, the name Keshava refers to one who is the controller. Ka meaning Brahma, Isha meaning Rudra, and Va meaning one who controls. Keshava for Rupam also means one with beautiful hair. For Guna, Keshava is one who destroys sorrows, known as Klesham, hence Keshava. For Vibhava, Keshava is the one who destroys the demon Keshi. Hence, this becomes the first of the Dwadasa Nama. Let us have a look at another one of his namams, Madhavan. The name Madhavan comes to the Lord as he is one who has Mahalakshmi. Ma meaning Mahalakshmi and Dhavam meaning one who has. In Tamil we call him Thirumal. Another name that fits this meaning is the other Dwadasa Namam, Sridhara. Andar praises all these namams in her last pasuram so that we can all keep them lingering in our minds. Vanga kadal kadaitha Madhavane Keshavane Vanga kadal kadaitha Madhavane Keshavane Tingal Mukathe Sediyar Senviranji Anga Parai Konda Aatrai Gadi Puduvai Paigavana Tantarigal Pattarpira Kodai Sonna Sanga Tamil Mali Muppadum Tapame Inge Parisukai Pa Irirande Magare Kor Chengan Tirmugathe Shelva Tirmana Engum Tirvarul Petre Imburuvarem Bavai Vanga Kadal Kadinda Madhavane Keshavane. Here she states, one who praises the Lord using the names Madhava, Keshava and Thirumal through my Tirupavai will always be blessed by the Lord. Engum Thiruvarul Petru. The next name of the Dwadasa Namam we look at is Narayana. As we have already mentioned before, the name means one who is inside all of us and one who is the destination for all of us. One for many and one in many. Now let me tell you an interesting story about the name Narayana. As we all know, the name Narayana is an important part of the Tirumandiram. Om Namo Narayanaya. Swami Ramanuja goes to Tirukoštiyur Nambi in order to learn this Tirumandiram. As he goes to the doorstep of Tirukoštiyur Nambi, he states, Naan Vandirikkiren, I am here. Tirukoštiyur Nambi refuses to let him in. This occurs 17 times. On the 18th time, he announces himself, Adiyen Dasan Ramanujan Vandirikkiren. Your humble servant Ramanuja is here. Tirukoštiyur Nambi looks at him and states, good, now you have lost your ahamkara, we can speak. He then goes on to learn the Tirumandiram. However, Tirukoštiyur Nambi gives this mandiram under one condition. You must not repeat this mandiram to anyone else. Otherwise you will go to Narakam. What does Swami Ramanuja do? He goes on top of the Tirukoštiyur Tirukoil Gopuram, 3rd tier, calls and gathers everyone and states, this is the mandiram for liberation from samsara. Om Namo Narayanaya, and gives the Tirumandiram for all. As he comes down, Tirukoštiyur Nambi is furious. He asks him, I told you specifically not to tell anyone else, otherwise you go to hell. Swami Ramanuja there says, I do not mind going to hell if At the same time, I can help thousands of others liberate from samsara and go to moksha. This is an important story about the Narayana Namam. As we already saw earlier, Andal praises it in her first pasanam. Narayanane namakke pareitharu. The next Namam, Govinda. Let us have a look at the Tiruppavi. Kudare vellum Shri Govinda, Kudare vellum Shri Govinda, Undannai Kudare vellum Shri Govinda, Undannai பாடி கரை கொண்டு யாபேரும் சம்மானம் நாடு புகழும் நாடு புகழும் பரிசின நன்றாக நாடு பரிசின நன்றாக சுடகமே கோல்வளையே தோடே சேரி பாடமே யாமணி போ ஆடை உடுபோ அதன் பின்னே பாச்சோரே மூடனை பெய்து முழங்கி வழிவார மூடனை பெய்து முழங்கி வழிவார கூடி விருந்து கூறிந்தேலோ எம்பாவாய் கூடாரி கோவிந்தா The name Govinda. The name Govinda refers to the Lord as the protector of cows. Go meaning cows. Another meaning for this name is one who protects the earth, Bhumi Devi. Go meaning earth. And yet another meaning is one who keeps to his word. Vakukku Adipati. Andal here praises the Lord Govinda, saying he is one who has the power even to bring his naysayers by him. Let us look at the next name through another pasuk. வையத்து வழிதானம் பாவைக்கே வையத்து வழிதானம் பாவைக்கே செய்யும் கிரிசைகள் கேளீரோபகடல் வையத்து வழிதானம் பாவைக்கே செய்யும் கிரிசைகள் கேளீரோபகடல் பைய தூயின்ற பரமனடி பாடி பைய தூயின்ற பரமனடி
கை காட்டி உய்யுமாறே எண்ணி உகந்தேலோரெம்பா பைய தூயின்ற பரமனடி பாடி.
Andal says, Paraman Adi Pad. Paraman refers to the Lord as the Supreme. Supremacy has two important characteristics: controlling and all-pervading. The name Vishnu refers to nothing but his all-pervading nature. Thus, Andal praises the name Vishnu through the Tirupavai by calling him Paraman. The next Tirupavai. For this, the name is Madhusudanan. Madhusudanan refers to the Lord as one who destroys Madhu and Kaitava. But this name does not only give reference to destroying Madhu and Kaitava, it also shows his destruction of all the evil beings, such as Ravana and Chatagasura. Andal explains how the Lord destroys all these evil asuras in her Pasura.
அன்றிவுலகம் அளந்தாயடி போற்றி சென்றங்கே தென்னிலங்கை சென்றாய் திரள் போற்றி. அன்றிவுலகம் அளந்தாயடி போற்றி சென்றங்கே தென்னிலங்கை சென்றாய் திரள் போற்றி. ஒன்ற ஜகடம் உதைத்தாய் புகழ் போற்றி. ஒன்ற ஜகடம் உதைத்தாய் புகழ் போற்றி. கன்று கோமிலாய் எறிந்தாய் கடல் போற்றி. குன்று கூடைய எடுத்தாய் வென்று பகை கையில் பேர் போற்றி. வென்று பகை என்றென்று உன் சேவகமே என்றென்று உன் சேவகமே ஏற்றி பறை கொள்வாய். என்றென்று உன் சேவகமே ஏற்றி பறை கொள்வாய். இன்றிய வந்தோ இன்றிய வந்தோ இறங்கேளோ எம்பாவாய். இன்றிய வந்தோ இறங்கேளோ எம்பாவாய். இன்றிய வந்தோ இறங்கேளோ எம்பாவாய். அன்றி உலகம்
Here she asked to the Lord who destroyed Ravana and Chadagasura, I am always at your service. Endrendru un sevagam. Please accept it. Yetri parai kolva. The next namams are Trivikraman and Vamana. We all know the story of Vamana avatar. Vamanan means one with a beautiful face. Lord Indra had lost all his wealth and monarchy to Mahabali Chakravarti and thus goes to Narayana and asks him for help. Narayana incarnates as a small Brahmin dwarf, Vamana. He goes to the court of Mahabali. You can imagine the scene. Mahabali Chakravarti, king of the three worlds, sitting on top of his throne, which itself is on top of 18 steps. At the bottom, there is a small boy, Vamana, with a beautiful radiance on his face. Vamana looks up at Mahabali and says, Mahabali? Mahabali looks down. Yes, what do you want? Moovadi? Moovadi what? Man. Mahabali? Moovadi? Man. Shukracharya, the guru and acharya of the asuras, looks at Mahabali, then looks at Vamana, then looks at Mahabali again and says, Mahabali, be careful. There is a glorious radiance on his face. This is no ordinary boy begging for alms. Be very careful with what you do, and if you can, take back your words. Mahabali, however, says, I can't. I am a Perumvallan, a great donor, and thus I will give him the land. He takes his Kamandalam to transfer the property in the traditional way, by pouring water. As he does so, Shukracharya transforms himself into a beetle and enters the beak of the Kamandalam. to stop the water flowing and thus cancelling the transaction. Here, however, Vamanan uses his darbai to poke Shukracharya in the eye. Shukracharya, the beetle, thus falls out, allowing the water to flow and thus completing the transaction. As Mahabali asks him, take your 3 steps, Vamanan grows and assumes the gigantic form of Trivikraman. In one step, he covers the male lobam. In next step, he covers the Padala lobam. He has already covered the entire universe. Where can he keep his third foot? He asks Mahabali. Mahabali humbles and says, please place it on my head. Mubadivan ketu vande vinnalande mannadane Mahabali shiram paditha vamanane. Thus, from this what do we learn? We learn never to disobey your Acharya. As Mahabali disobeyed Shukracharya, he lost his wealth and power. The second lesson we learn is, don't disrupt a dharmic activity. As Shukracharya entered the beak and thus lost his eye. Andal praises these namams, Trivikraman and Vamanan, by calling him Omgi Ulagalanda Uttama. Omgi Ulagalanda Uttaman pe paati Nangadam Bhaveke Chati Radina Omgi Ulagalanda Uttaman pe paati Nangadam Bhaveke Chati Radina Tingi Nadella Tingal Mumari Peide Mug Perum Zenna Punguvatai Kodil Polivande Kanpadappa Tekade Pokirande Chita Murai Patti Punguvatai Kodil Polivande Kanpadappa Tekade Pokirande Chita Murai Patti Vaka Kudam Niraikum Vannaperum Pasugal She says, let us undertake our Pavai Noble by praising the Omgi Ulagalanda Uttama. Now, the next noun, Hrishikeshan. Hrishikeshan means one who controls the senses, known as Indriyams. Andal alludes to this name in her Pasanam. Chitram Chitra Kale Vandunne Bandunai Seyeve Un Potramare Potrum Potul Kela Petram Me Tunnum Kulatil Piran Allah மற்றை நம் காமங்கள் மாற்றேலோர் எம்பாவாய். O Lord, please change all our other thoughts and activities so we can focus solely on you. The next name, Padmanabhan. Padmanabhan refers to the Lord as one who has a lotus navel. This highlights his Jagat Karanatvam, the creator of the universe, as it is from this navel Brahma is formed, and thus begins the creation of the universe. Andal praises this name in a passage. Aari Mari Kanna Vendre Nikai Karame. Aari Mari Kanna Vendre Nikai Karame. Aari Tul Bukhe Uganda Goda Uri Udalman Urubam Pami Garete Uri Udalman Urubam Pami Garete Pariyam Torudai Padmanabhan Kai Pariyam Torudai Padmanabhan Kai Aari Polini Padam Poli Polindande Tararesha Unna Saramajai Po Paja Puragi Paja Puragi Pedidayagalo Paja Puragi Pedidayagalo Margadi Neerada Pakinderuremba Margadi Neerada Pakinderuremba. Here she sings Padmanabhan's praise. Now, let us have a look at the last of the Dwadasa Namam, Damodaran. Damodaran refers to the Lord as one who lowers himself so he is accessible to all. The one who was tied by a rope by Yashoda so that we can all be accessed. Andal refers to this in her Pasuram. Aya Kulatini Todro Anigi Vinagi Aya Kulatini Todro Anigi Vinagi Tayi Kudal Nilayam Seita Damodarani Tayi Kudal Nilayam Seita Damodarani. Madhura Kavi Alvar refers to this Namam when he states Kanninum Sirithambinal Kattunna Panniya Perumai. This is notable as the only place where Madhura Kavi Alvar praises Narayana instead of his Guru Nammalvar. This Namam is very important as it reflects his quality of simplicity and approachfulness. Shulabhan. Now we have seen the meaning of the Dwadasa Namam. Let us see, is it even possible to say these 12 Namams daily? In our current lifestyle, even 12 is very difficult. Forget about 1008, even 12 is difficult. For this reason, Parvati asks Lord Shiva, Keno payena laguna Vishnor nama sahasrakam पठ्यते पंडितै नित्यं स्तोतुमिच्छाम्यहं प्रभो. What is the simplest way we can say all the 1008 namams of Narayana? Lord Shiva replies, Shri Rama Rama Rameti Rame Rame Manorame Sahasranama Tattulyam Rama Rama Varanane. The Rama Rama, that alone is enough, as it is the essence of all the 1008 namams. எட்டெழுத்திலோ உயரைந்தெழுத்திலோ யோகிட்டெழுத்தே உயிராகும். எட்டெழுத்திலோ உயரைந்தெழுத்திலோ யோகிட்டெழுத்தே உயிராகும். தாரக மந்திரம் தாரக மந்திரம் உபதேசம் செய்த வைப்பதும் கொண்ட ஸ்ரீ மதுர ராம நாம அமிர்த பாதமே அவுடையோர் உயர் ஜீவனமே ஸ்ரீராம நாம அமிர்த பாதமே அவுடையோர் உயர் ஜீவனமே Amrita Padane. Now, before we summarize, we have seen today what the name Narayana means. நாரங்களுக்கு அயனம், நாரங்களை அயனமாக கொண்டிருப்பவன். One for many, one in many. We then saw why we should chant this, to know his Janma Karma Divyam, as this is the only thing that can liberate us from samsara. Then we saw the 12 Dwadasa Namams and its meaning. And finally we saw what the name Sri Rama and why it is the essence of all the 1008 Namams. Now, we can see the benefits of chanting the Narayana Namam through a pasuram of Tirumangayalvar, followed by a song by Papanasam. Kulam tanum selvam tandirum அடியார் படுதுயராயினவெல்லாம் குலம் தரும் செல்வம் தந்திடும் அடியார் படுதுயராயினவெல்லாம் நிலந்தனம் செய்யும் நீள் விஷும்பருளும் அருளோடு பெருநிலம் அளிக்கும் பலம் தரும் பணம் தரும் மற்றும் தந்திடும் பெற்ற தாயின ஆயின நலம் தரும் சொல்லை நான் கண்டு கொண்டேன். நாராயணா 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 நாராயண நாமம் நாராயண நாமம் நான் அதை சொல்லும் நாராயண என்னாலும் மனோலய முதல்வாய் I would like to give my sincere thanks to Sydney Music Circle, who gave me this opportunity to present this Harikatha. Especially Anupama Aunty, who had a great deal of faith and encouraged me immensely. I would next like to thank my accompanants, Dilip and Shubham, for giving me awesome support for me. And then I'd like to thank the audience for giving me your patronage and your support. I will finish with a Vadi Tirunamam of Anda. Tiruvadi Porathil Jagatulita Vadiye Tirupavane Padu Settinar Vadiye Tirupavurathil Jagatulita Vadiye Tirupavane Padu Settinar Vadiye Tiriyalvar Pettirutha Pen Pillai Vadiye Peruguru Mamunikku Vinana Periyalvar Pettirutha Pen Pillai Vadiye Peruguru Mamunikku Vinana மலநாடி வாணியே வன்புதுவை நகரோடு மலபருந்தாடி மறுமாறும் திருமணி மலநாடி வாணியே வன்புதுவை நகரோடு மலபலங்கள் வாழியே
The artist, please. Shri Rohit Ramesh for his Harikatha presentation. Shri Dilip Ramaswamy for his violin accompaniment. Shri Subhanga Nirmaleshwaran for beautiful Mridangam accompaniment. Thank you, Ma Aunty.